Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Elbert County, east central Douglas County, and northeastern Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elbert, or 37 miles southeast of Denver, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Albert, Elizabeth, Kiowa, Ponderosa Park, and Fondas. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. For full information, visit www.weather.gov/Denver. Stay tuned for important emergency information.